Hello and welcome to UN Global Excursions. I am KR and I'm going to be your host for the next few minutes as I introduce to you this great way to travel and share these vacations with others, guys. This is something that's super excited. I've been doing this now for a while and I can tell you, man, this is life changing. Now the income is getting ready to match those great trips. You guys are going to be able to hold raffles and give away these trips and these vacations to people that's in much need of this time off and in much need to spend time with their loved ones. Now, let's get started so you can get in, get out, and come on, start making this money with us. First of all, and like I said previously, I want to welcome you to UN Global Excursions. You are on your way to creating a powerful income by becoming a luxury vacation raffle agent, guys. That is an LVRA over here. Working as an LVRA with UN unlocks the most exciting door to travel that anyone could ever imagine. Think of this. You are the host. This is you. This is yours. You're hosting these great raffles. People are taking advantage of these great deals that you have by buying a raffle ticket, and you are getting paid instantly. We're talking anywhere from $1,200, $3,000, $5,000 per raffle based on how much our tickets are selling for. So imagine you're here, you're raffling off great trips and vacations, and you're getting paid. That's it. Look at it this way. You're the host of this great party, right? You're hosting it on our Zoom network. You have a Zoom account. You have great people on there that have picked the winning number. They've picked a number. Now remember something. Everyone here that participates in our raffle, they are winners. We make sure that everyone is winning something, so no one walks away a loser. Your guests are great people who are super excited because you hold the tickets to their next fulfilled global adventure. Imagine that. Now, what do? It's very simple. We simply advertise in two ways. We're looking for people that want to make money with us, that want to participate and make money with us as a raffle agent. How about that? Everybody wants to make a little extra money, of course, right? We're also looking for people that just want to participate in the raffle and win these great locations. So you have two key points that you could attack. People that want to make money and people that just want to travel. And then really with our agents, they're doing both because they're traveling and they're making money at the same time, right? The new agent training. The new agent training can help you to get started. We have designed an all-inclusive training for our new agent, which gives them hands-on involvement in the business. Before becoming an agent, each is required to mandatorily participate in one raffle. So if you're coming in over here, you're going to participate in one of our raffles. You're going to pay for that raffle ticket and see how it's played out. That way, when you begin to do it, you have firsthand knowledge of how this thing is done. Right? This gives them firsthand knowledge of how the raffles and the software work. Not only that, they could possibly be headed to the exclusive destination of their dreams also. So imagine, you're coming in to make money, then all of a sudden, you have a trip to Bombay somewhere, to Cancun, to Nantucket. You're on your way up out of here. That is how this works because we're all about travel over here. What we raffle off is this. We are destination specialists. You are about to come in and take advantage of something that many would love to do but can't. You are the exclusive key to the fun and excitement. Our raffles are super hot simply because we raffle off exclusive high-end travel destinations. Imagine being able to purchase a $100 raffle ticket, which will take you to Cabo San Lucas for 5 days, 4 nights. Las Vegas, Nevada for 4 days, 3 nights. Puerto Vallarta for 6 days, 5 nights. And many, many, many more destinations. We have over 200 destinations in our portfolio that we be putting these raffles together for. Imagine only coming out of pocket with $200 for a raffle ticket and then finding yourself on a flight to Bangkok. 5 days, 4 nights. Dubai, 5 days, 4 nights. Bali, 5 days, 4 nights. As a raffle host, these are the dreams that you are helping others to make their reality. Now, let me go back here and share something with you. You notice how this raffle is set at $100, right? You set your raffle for whatever you want it to be. You can say 100, 200, 300, because believe me, if I'm talking about 5 days in Bangkok, and 4 nights, that's well past $200. So you can set your raffles for whatever you want to set them for. How much can you earn? Well, that's what you're here to find out. Your earning potential is unlimited. The question that most ask when looking at joining opportunities are usually the same across the board. How much money can I earn? Do I get paid instantly? And if so, how? Do I have to recruit? Well, let's look at some of these answers. These are viable questions, and here are even more viable answers. Don't worry, there's no fluff added to what I'm going to be saying to you. I'm keeping it 100% legit so that you can see the transparency of this and how you can make money. The answer, although we can never guarantee anyone's earning, but I will say this. If you apply just a little effort here, you will definitely see the financial rewards. Imagine that having one raffle with 20 people, let's just say 20 people want to participate, and you're raffling off 10 vacations. So that means you already know, based on, let's say if you base it on $100, you already know you're sitting on $1,000 because you got 20 people there and you've already sold 20 tickets. That's $2,000. So you know when the raffle is over, you've given away 10 trips, right, to those people, right? And remember now, everyone wins here. The other people that comes in will be receiving our other gifts, right? Our consolation prizes, which is well over what the amount is. They're going to be receiving gift cards for restaurants. They're going to be receiving hotel stay discounts. So you're going to be definitely making sure everyone wins because you have these things in your back office to make it happen. So when it asks how much can you make, it is unlimited. It's all about you. A simple raffle. Let's look at a simple raffle. If I have a raffle and just invite 10 people in and put 10 gifts there, 10 prizes there, 10 trips, that means that each one of my 10 people are going to win. Each one of my 10 people are going to have a trip. And I am going to make $1,000 within that little 12 to 25 to 30 minutes that I sit here with the raffle. Imagine that, guys. This is super simple, right? Not only are you paid instantly due to the raffle rules, you are paid before the actual raffle takes place. So if I'm sponsoring a raffle, I may be collecting raffle tickets 3-4 days before the raffle, if not a week before the raffle. So you're already paid before the raffle even takes place. Recruiting is not required because we're not doing team building, none of that. But if you want to share what it is that we do, doing with somebody else, that's absolutely up to you. Feel free to help your family and friends to get involved in this and make money also. But remember, we are not recruiting because it is definitely not needed. Let's take a look at an actual chart of possible earnings, guys. And I want you to understand how simplistic this is. And please, please, please do not complicate and do not overthink. Just simply one thing. Hey man, how would you like to participate in the raffle for Cancun? How would you like to participate in the raffle where you could go to Bali? How would you like to participate in the raffle where you could go to Thailand, right? Things of that nature is the only things that you need to do. You're offering people to come in. Then you have the flip side of it. Like we said, we have 2 entries. How would you like to be making $3,000 to $5,000 per week hosting raffles? Guys, this is a win-win. So let's look at this. Raffles per week, let's just say 1, right? We're looking at these raffles per week now. Ticket prices. So you set your own ticket price. I just based this at 100 for illustration purposes only. Tickets sold, this is the numbers of tickets that you will sell based upon this raffle. Bankable income, this is what you look at. So let's just say, for instance, I'm having a raffle today and I've sold 10 tickets, right? With me selling 10 tickets, now that's basically me saying I'm going to sell 10 tickets and I'm going to make sure that each one of my people win. So I'm going to attach a winner to that. The only thing I do is if you're number 1, you win the first prize. If you're number 2, the second prize may be Bangkok. If you win number 3, the third prize may be Tibet. Win number 4 may be Hawaii. You see what I'm saying? So you base that upon how you do it, and the software that we use helps you to do it. It's super simple software. Doesn't take nothing but a second to download to your device. Very easy, okay? So now, $100 times the 10 tickets that sold. Well, we're going to say 10. That's $1,000 in your pocket, and it took you about 15 to 20 minutes to do the raffle. Amazing. Let's look at another raffle. $100 ticket per ticket. 20 tickets out there. 20 tickets sold. That's $2,000, guys. Raffle takes about 15, 20 minutes. You made $2,000 in 15, 20 minutes. How many raffles could you have in a week? Yeah, it's totally up to you because you already have the trips back there. You can continuously give away the trips. You just can't give trips away to the same people all the time. It must be new people coming in because you don't want to, we got rules that we have to follow too, and I'll break those down to you once you become a member. Okay, let's look at this one here. This raffle here at $100, 30 tickets. That's $3,000 in your pocket. 3,000. If you think about raffles, guys, it's amazing. Now, these are not actual tickets. These are digital tickets, okay? So look at this raffle. 40 tickets out. That's $4,000. How about if you did that 2 times in a week? Yeah. Look at this raffle. $100 ticket at 50 tickets, that's $5,000 in. Now, what you also must remember is this. Let's say, for instance, I do a raffle and I have 10 winners in my raffle, but I had 20 people participate. The 20 people are going to get the consolation prize, which is very good prizes also. That's going to make them say, well, you know what? I want to come back and participate again. Boom. What happened if the people that won say, hey, I want to come back. I know I can't get another trip, but I tell you what, how about I get one of the consolation prizes? Boom. Guys, the money is nonstop. People want to do this. People are having fun doing this. Once you join my team and jump on my Facebook group, you're going to see how people over there making money. Right? Cost to get started. Everything here is transparent because it's not a lot of money. Guys, it's really nothing to get started. The cost is super low considering how much money you can make. When you think of launching your own business, I'm sure that you add in what it will cost to do so. Our raffle host can get started for as little as $140, right? I'm going to break that down for you in a second. That's the training and setup fee and your $36 per month. Now watch this. Your startup cost is this. A Zoom cloud conferencing is free for 45 minutes. You should not be on a raffle for 45 minutes. So, hey, you got a free raffle, a Zoom cloud meeting, because all you need is 25 to 30 minutes. Right? So you want to get in there, take care of your business, get out. Raffle software. The raffle software is located on your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store, and it is $1.95 for life. To get your destinations website set up where all of these great locations are and where all of your gift cards is at, is $37 to get started and $37 per month. That's it. Now, I'm going to tell you what's amazing about this. Let's just say, for instance, I'm building a raffle team, a team of people that's going to be hosting raffles. When they pay their $37 per month, I get a percentage of that residually. So now I just set up residual income, and guess what? They're not going anywhere because they're making amazing money doing this. Now, mandatory raffle entry. For mine, it's $100 based on what I am doing right now. I have some raffles that's going to be coming up soon that has exclusive, real exclusive high-end packages. They'll be $200, $300. Right now, I'm looking at $100. Okay, so your total startup cost is $138.95. Wow. Steps to success, guys. This is amazing. These simple yet effective steps to success can help you get up and running within a matter of hours. Send your sponsor, send the person that invited you to the next upcoming raffle, because mandatorily you have to participate in a raffle. So send $100 to your sponsor to get a raffle ticket for the next drawing. Choose your number. Your number is going to be documented. You're going to receive an email about your number, and you're going to be good to go. Okay. The next thing that you want to do is purchase your vacation portfolio. That's $37. Remember, when you purchase it and you share it with somebody else, they too will also then start paying you residuals to have theirs. Set up your Zoom cloud conferencing app. That's absolutely free. Remember that. That is free. That's free. Set up your raffle software. That's, remember, $1.98. Takes about 30 seconds for that to set up. We do trainings on that to make sure you know how to work it. The training don't take no longer than 10 minutes. It's just that simple, guys. Schedule your first raffle. Bam. Only thing you're doing when you're doing that is just simply introducing this to people. Hey, how would you like to get in a raffle where we're giving away exotic locations? Name some of the exotic locations, because that's going to attract attention, right? Then, of course, attend virtual trainings. That's where we teach you everything it is that you need to know. Right? It is very important that you and your new raffle agents attend the virtual trainings. This will help you to stay updated on current as well as upcoming information. That's it, guys. There's nothing hard about this. You can have a raffle on Zoom, having fun with people, tell them to kick back, get them some soft drinks or whatever they want, because this isn't a raffle where we discussing hard business. No. This is a kickback, relax. We want people relaxing before they go on the trip. We want people relaxing before they become agents. We want you guys to have a great time with this, because that's all about what we do. That's what it's about. Travel, vacations, having fun with the family, and making money. You should not be working hard to make money when money is out here being given away. So if you're interested in joining us, get back to the person that sent you this information. Let them know, hey, I've seen the presentation. I'm super excited. I have $100. Please register me for the next raffle so that I can win some of those prizes over there, and you will not regret it. I look forward to working with you over here at UN. This is your man KR, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.